Hello friends. In this video, we will talk about programming and how you can start it easily. Whether you are a beginner or have some knowledge, I will guide you step by step to understand the basics of programming and its importance in our daily lives. Programming is the computer language that allows you to create applications, games, websites, and software. Just as we speak languages such as Arabic or English, the computer speaks its own languages such as Python, JavaScript, and C++. The goal of programming is to teach the computer to do something specific using these languages. So, let's start with the question, why is programming important? In today's world, almost everything relies on programming, from the apps we use on our phones, to the websites we visit daily, and even the smart cars that drive themselves. All these things are built thanks to programming. So, how do you start programming? The first step is to choose the right programming language. If you are a beginner, I recommend starting with Python. Why? Because it is simple and easy to understand, and it is used in many fields such as artificial intelligence, web development, and even games. After choosing the language, you need to start learning by doing. It is not enough to just read about programming, it is best if you try it yourself. There are platforms like Codecademy or Free Codecamp that provide you with interactive step-by-step lessons to learn programming. And the most important advice I can give you is, do not be afraid of making mistakes. Programming is a learning experience, and mistakes are part of this journey.